You have heard about Brown's multiple arrests. That's why many are wondering why the suspect, Decarlos Brown, was not in prison. Queen City News reporter Shakira Speaks gets answers from a Charlotte criminal defense attorney.
Decarlos Brown has a long history of being in trouble with the law. His criminal record shows 3 misdemeanors between 2007 and 2009. He was convicted of felony breaking and entering and later convicted of assaulting and stealing from a man using a handgun. But he served his time for each of the crimes against him.
Essentially, what the legislature has done, they have made certain offenses required to have no bond, or at least allow a judicial official to grant no bond.
Charlotte criminal defense attorney Aaron Lee says the 2023 Pretrial Integrity Act allowed for more serious offenses like drug trafficking and homicides to go before an elected judge to be granted bond or not. Magistrates use a certain set of criteria to make that decision.
Magistrates actually have a findings of fact form, just like they filled out in Decarlos Brown's case. And that actually has a checkbox for the magistrate to go over, and it'll say whether or not no bond applies for rebuttable presumptions. Under rebuttable presumption, there is no assurances that this individual will come back to court or that he will not be a danger to the community.
The form lists serious offenses like drugs, weapons, or homicide charges, or was the defendant out on bond and committed another offense using a gun or a lethal weapon?
None of those conditions applied in Decarlos Brown's case, so there was no rebuttable presumption that he was going to be a danger. He didn't do anything out of the ordinary that any other magistrate wouldn't have done. And if the DA's office thought something was wrong with it, they could have brought a new bond hearing for a bond modification.
Lee says the dilemma attorneys have is they're lawyers, not doctors. He says getting someone evaluated is a lengthy and timely process.
It is kind of a broken system that a lot of clients do have mental health issues, but getting them evaluated is only for the court's process at streamline and see if they can stand trial and their rights aren't going to be violated. But it's not getting them treatment and making sure the community's safe. It's certainly not for that reason.
Reporting in Charlotte, Shakira Speaks, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.